bones at her wrist, that I have heard a heavy mom and her sad old man, her godly body and its 14 stations have embraced her palpitations, her unborn baby crying mummy against the rubble of her body. Her lovely lidded eyes I sipped, her fingernails all pink and chipped, that I once held in my hand, that I have heard it has been poured into my human heart and filled me with love up to the brim and killed me and rebuilt me. I'm begging you with something to look forward to. Who can ask much more than that? West country girl with a big fat cat who stares into her eyes.